Hi, this is Jackie from Jangle Art and Designs, and today I'm going to share with you a teapot file folder that I made. I got the template, and the template is actually for a gift box, but then I decided to make something a bit extraordinary. So if I tip it like this, you can see the inside, and in the inside there are little file folder divisions. And so the whole idea of this teapot is Belle making a gift for a friend and to surprise her, and she named the teapot Serenity because the tea will bring serenity and calmness. And on the back side she put an image of her friend and things that her friend adores, like dragonflies and cupcakes and flowers, with a sentiment keeping it real. So let's turn it around to the front again, and then you can see the tags that Belle made for her friend. Aren't they lovely? And then she also made a little card. This is a dried tea bag outer with cardstock in the middle or in the inside, and then a die cut on the left hand side, and it says giving fun sized stardust. So Belle refers to the tea as stardust because it gives calmness and it helps with emotions and helps one to feel better. So on these little file folders I actually put a sentiment on each one. So I'm trying to bring it in view that you can see. There you can see renewal, and then you can see energize. They are so small. Evolve, and then breathe, blessed, believe, solitude. That is all things that Belle wishes for her best friend. And then Belle is still going to add a recipe for iced tea in the front folder, but then she took different teas and she added them into the folder. So this tea is Shine Your Light. So when you need to shine your light, this tea will actually help you feel much better. And this tea says just begin. In days when you're not feeling up to it, just begin with a tea, a cup of tea. And then we've got use your wings on days when you need to fly high. And this tea bag says comfort, days when you really need comfort, when you're not feeling so happy or when you're feeling down. And the next one is enjoy the storm, specially made for a rainy day. And this tea bag is lovely. This one inspires you to look at yourself and see the loveliness in you. And then the last tea in the gift box is imagine. Keep on imagining and dreaming your dreams. That is what Belle suggested. So the sides were raw, the edges, and so I added gold filler in here, and the gold filler actually makes it look more authentic or vintage. So I hope you enjoyed this little gift box that Belle made for a friend. Happy crafting till we meet again.